Today we're gonna be, hold on, let me close my door because, So today we're gonna be doing a GTA myth, which I heard. Well, basically you go to this right here. You go to this, Los Santos Customs is right around the airport. As you guys, hold on. As you guys can see, it's literally like the airport's right here. This is my hangar, so the airport is right here. So we're gonna go there, and this supposedly, allegedly, people are saying that there is a plant there. Now I don't know what type of plant. I heard it turns you into something. I'm not sure what it is. I'm not sure if it's true, but we're gonna go do it. I don't know. It's like in the back of Los Santos Customs of that one. So let's go. I saw it a few times, but like I was like, hey, I gotta stream for something. I gotta stream, so I'm just gonna let's go do this. So I don't know why, bro. I haven't been streaming for like the last like 2 days, I think. Because, bro, like, I've been playing this game and I don't even stream it. Like, I can just be getting some content. And most of my streams, I don't even upload it to YouTube. So it's kind of like... But you have to stay consistent on YouTube, actually. Because, like, the more consistent you are, the, like... Oh, my God. The more views you get on your YouTube videos. Like, I was consistent. Like, I posted a video and then a video after. And I got, like, 24 views. And I was, like, 30. So that's probably, like, my second most viewed video. So as you guys can see, we're literally like right here. Oh my God. Let's see. So you literally pull it. Okay, I think I know where the plan is. I don't want to pull up here. Let's just pull my car right here. Nobody take this. I know I see some dirty construction workers. Let's walk over here. Supposedly there's a plant. There's a plant, which I don't see. Wait, what? I'm confused. Oh! Okay. The peyote. Ooh. Ooh, okay, what happens here? Oh my God, what happened? What is gonna happen? I'm gonna be biting people if it actually turns me in. What if it turns me into like another, like Lamar or something, imagine?
Wow.
What
the fuck going on? I mean, man, what is going on? I got animals? Hell no. Man, I ain't never had no animals before. Fucking jerk.
Yo, imagine I got killed. No, don't kill me! I got 2 stars. Let's go! Oh my God, what the heck? A reindeer? Hey! Hold on. Yeah!
Suspect last seen on Greenwich Parkway in South Porta.
They could have at least sent animal control. You just see
Attention all
God.
units, threat has been neutralized.
Hold on, do I go back to where I fell at? Oh shoot, okay. Where's my car at? I don't care about me. Okay, my car's there. Director mode. Oh, okay. That's cool. Wait, where'd I spawn at? Wait, I can't get out of here. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, no, I can't. Bless you! Oh, because I went back here. Hold on a minute.
So, anyway, listen. Eleven picked up some presents. I know. That's what it is. Get on the way home. It's a bit late.
slow ass car. If it was fast, I would have kept it, but
Thanks, son. You're the metal.
yeah.
Dental records to recognize himself in the morning. Sure.